In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a video on Discord the proper way, a full guide for 2024. Discord has become an essential hub for communities to share ideas, have discussions, and of course share multimedia content including videos. Whether you're new to Discord or looking to refine your video posting skills, you've come to the right place. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to Discord's official website. You'll be greeted with the login screen, a gateway to your digital community space. For returning users, the process is straightforward. If you're a new user, you'll need to follow the sign-up process, which Discord has made a breeze. Once you're at the login screen, you'll see fields prompting you for your email and password. Begin by entering the email associated with your Discord account. Take care to enter your email accurately to avoid any login troubles. After you've entered your email, it's time to input your password. Remember, your password is the key to your account, so keep it secure and never share it with others. After entering your credentials, you'll find the Login button. Click it to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you'll be swiftly taken to the home screen of Discord, where your adventures in various communities begin. From the Discord home screen, you'll want to navigate to the specific server where you wish to post your video. Servers are the heart of Discord, each acting as a home for a different community. If you're not part of a server yet, don't worry. You can join servers that match your interests or even create your own. But for now, let's assume you're part of a server and ready to share some video content. Locate the server on the left sidebar and click on it to enter. Once you're in the server, look for the specific channel where you want to post your video. Channels are where the magic happens. They're dedicated spaces for text, voice, or video chats within servers. For this tutorial, we're focusing on a text channel, often denoted by a hash symbol, followed by the channel's name. Now you're in the right channel and ready to upload your video. Look for the message box at the bottom of the screen. To the left of the message box, you'll see a plus sign. This is the Upload a File button. Clicking this button brings up your File Explorer, allowing you to navigate through your files and select the video you want to share with your community. Find your video file and select it. Do keep in mind Discord's size limitations for uploads. If your file exceeds these limits, you might need to compress it or use external hosting and share the link instead. Once selected, you can add a comment or message to accompany your video if you wish. This step is optional, but can be a nice way to introduce the content or add relevant commentary. After you've added any desired text, it's time to share your video with the channel. Press enter or click the send button. Congratulations, you've just posted a video on Discord. But what if things didn't go as planned? If you encounter any issues during the upload process, double check the file size and format. Discord supports various video formats, but it's always a good idea to ensure your video conforms to the platform's guidelines for a smooth uploading experience. Remember, sharing videos on Discord isn't just about uploading content, it's about contributing to the community, sparking discussions, and connecting with others. Keep your shared content appropriate to the channel's theme and community guidelines. Being mindful of these aspects helps create a positive and engaging environment for all members. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to posting videos on Discord. Whether you're looking to share your latest gaming highlights, a funny clip, or an informative tutorial, you now have the knowledge you need to do it the right way. Keep exploring, sharing, and engaging with your communities on Discord. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found the guide helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more useful tips and detailed guides. Until next time, happy posting.